Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute the finishing move in Modern Warfare 2. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. I'm just going to jump into the game quick, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we're in the game now, and one we just couldn't do is try to sneak up behind and get behind someone and show you exactly how to do that. So hopefully we just get behind someone. Here there's UV active, so I should be able to see exactly where they are. Okay, so there should be someone through here. All you want to do is hold melee when we're behind them. As you can see, well, he got killed by my teammate, but it was gonna before. But then all you want to do, just want to get right behind them and get a hold melee in like. So yeah, that wasn't too successful, but that's exactly how you perform it. You just want to go behind them, try and make sure that no one else is really around, and just want to hold down your melee button. That would be different for whatever console or your PC you're playing on, so just check your keybinds and make sure you're clicking the right button full. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.